IT approach in our 10 European NATCOs was decentralized and fragmented. We took this opportunity to leverage our multi-country strategy through a centrally developed experience ecosystem, OneXP of products, capabilities, and platforms. The foundation of our borderless ecosystem is our harmonized set of APIs and microservices connected to various NATCO systems. We have scaled these white-labeled solutions across the countries, where they are adapted to the local needs. Using this foundation, our in-house team built multi-instance products like OneApp, OneShop, OneBroadband, OneTV, OneCampaign, and OneMind. Today, this experience ecosystem powers 30% of new products and services activations. Customers are served with over 1.3 billion banner impressions that provide personalized recommendations. So far, we have processed over 1.2 billion euros in payments on our highly rated and trusted platforms, where we enjoy a 20% higher NPS. With this experience ecosystem, we improved time to market, simplified our systems while providing our customers with a better digital experience. Let us walk through some of the core pillars of our OneXP ecosystem. OneApp, now used by over 60% of our customers every month, enables business and private customers to do everything from adding or making changes to their services, paying their bills, prolonging their contracts, monitoring their data usage, to accessing parental controls for their routers. Our television service provides best-in-class hardware with an emotionally engaging design on a cloud TV platform, providing our customers with a seamless content discovery and integration. Our broadband utilizes the RDK framework to deliver the best internet experience with Wi-Fi 6, mesh extenders, cybersecurity, and tri-band hardware. With our digital platforms, we are now enabling complex interactions and centrally aided customer journeys. We are now reimagining our services from basic and reactive to predictive and proactive, while setting the foundations to provide a seamless home experience and even go beyond the core. Our experience ecosystem will allow us to connect with our customers in a unique and personalized way in this digital age. The best is yet to come.